Welcome back to my channel friends. Let's share healthy eating series day 6 cheat meal edition. Early morning I had almonds and green tea. For breakfast I had oats with banana, mango and eggs. For mid morning snack I had mango. For lunch I had biryani thali with raita and lots of vegetables. For snacks I had green tea and some salty snack. For dinner I had scrambled egg with lots of vegetables. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.